What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Torn and today we're going to be talking about how to buy the SafeMoon coin. Now I'm going to preface this video by saying this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only because this is a very risky investment and this is just to show you guys how it would be possible to do so. So with that being said, it isn't the most difficult process, but it is slightly complicated. And I am going to walk you through how I buy SafeMoon through PancakeSwap and my browser extension metamask. If this sounds interesting to you guys, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already because I have a ton of crypto videos coming out. And without further ado, let's jump into my computer and follow the tutorial on how to do this. Now I need to preface this video by saying there are a couple different networks that we're able to transfer to our metamask. Now the most common one would be the Ethereum network, but we are going to use Binance. We're going to use the Binance smart chain to actually get money into the metamask. So in order to do that, you're going to have a Binance account. Now if you don't have a Binance account already, I do have a video on that. Make sure to go check that out. If not, we're going to go into your Binance account. Quick side note, there is a great little article on the academy.binance.com that will walk you through this if the video does not do it for you. But let's bring up Binance. You're going to want to fund the account and purchase some BNB. Now this is the original currency of Binance. And so once we are in our wallet, you're going to find it here up at the top, wallet, fiat, and spot, and it's going to show all of your current coins. Under here, we're going to go to BNB and we're going to go click the withdrawal button. Inside withdrawal, you're going to see the coin here, BNB. This is where you're going to paste your MetaMask wallet. Now, as I briefly mentioned before, there are two types of networks that these trade on. Now, we do have to set up a Binance Smart Chain network here. So as we can see here inside my MetaMask, let's pull that up. The traditional dropdown is the Ethereum mainnet. Now that's not what we're going to have to fund. We're going to have to fund our smart chain. Now, depending on the country you live in, you may or may not already have the network that says Binance. If you do not, I recommend checking out this Connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain because you will have to input these right here, the mainnet, this URL, and the chain ID. With that being said, you create your own network through this custom RPC, and you'll do that right here by putting in Binance's smart chain. Once you have the smart chain set up in your MetaMask wallet, you are able to fund it through your Binance account. So this is where we will put our BNB address. So since our smart chain is right here, I will copy this to my clipboard and I will go in Binance and paste it in there. Then down here, you're going to want to use the Binance smart chain. You're not going to use BNB, you're going to use Binance smart chain. With that being said, you'll then enter how much BNB you want to transfer and click submit. Now I've done this already a few times before filming this, and in my experience it has happened almost within the minute has deposited into my account, into MetaMask, and happens very, very simultaneously. So give it some time. It will show and it will go through on your Binance account that the order was submitted. So make sure you just keep an eye on that. So once we see that our MetaMask is filled with our BNB or some of it, we're going to head to safemon.xyz. But once we're on the website here, we're going to click the Buy Now button. It's going to bring us to PancakeSwap. Now, if you do not have a PancakeSwap account, it may try to block the website, but we'll just click on through. Now up in the right is where you're going to connect your MetaMask wallet, and it should be highlighted in blue once you do that. Give it a couple seconds to load your balances, and as we can see here, my balance is uploaded in BNB, so I want to trade the maximum. It then gives you the estimate here with how much you will get in SafeMoon coin. If I'm not mistaken, that is 240 million coins. that we will click on swap. So it does give you a very, very small impact if you take some time here. Obviously, it shows that the price has been updated, so we will confirm the swap. All right, an important thing to note before we do hit that swap button is they do state it on their website to place the slippage at 11%. All right, and the transaction is submitted. All right, guys, and just like that, you have swapped your BNB for SafeMoon. If you guys do want to check on the value of this token, you will click on your metamask here, this little 3-dot arrow, and view in Explore your BTS scan. Now, this will show your wallet here and all of your tokens. And as you can see here, I have my PancakeSwap SafeMoon token in. Now, again, this is a very risky investment, so take that very, very seriously. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tutorial video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because there will be a ton more videos coming out like this. And until next time, guys, take care.